Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. If you're not logged in, log into your account. Then tap the menu icon, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Accounts Center at the top and access the Personal Details tab. Then tap Account Ownership and Control. Here, you'll see the deactivation and deletion option. Tap that. You'll now see two choices, deactivate or delete. Deactivation disables your account but lets you use Messenger. Deletion permanently removes your account, including all data, and blocks future login unless canceled within 30 days. Since we want to delete the account permanently, select Delete Account, then tap Continue. Facebook will guide you through a few steps, asking if you're sure. You'll also be given the option to download your data. This includes photos, posts, and more. Tap the download option if you want to save anything before deletion. Once done, tap Continue. You'll be asked to enter your password, then confirm one last time. After confirmation, your account enters a 30-day grace period. If you don't log in within that time, it will be deleted permanently. So, that's basically how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!